This is your man, Daniel again. So right now we now know the perfect square. Let us solve the process together. So this is the perfect square. We have to know them. So let us solve the process together. So first of all, let's take 24. So 24 square root of 24. So let's solve this one together. So this one you have to expand it. So this one will take 6 times 4, so that the 4 will be a perfect square. So square root of 4 will give you 2. Square root of 4 will give you 2. So that 2, you have to bring the 2 outside. So bring the 2 outside here, leaving the 6. So you now add the 6 here. So that's your final answer. I said square root of 4 will give you 2. So that 2, you bring it outside the square, leaving the 6. So 2 here and then the 6 here. So that's your final answer. Let us solve another one again. 75. So square root of 75. 75. So this 75, you have to expand it again. You have to expand it. So you get 25 times 3. 25 times 3. So that this 25 will be your perfect square. So that this 25 will give you the perfect square. So that square root of 25 will give you 5. So you bring the 5 outside. So you bring the 5 outside, leaving the 3. So 3. So this is now your final answer. I said square root of 25. 25 times 3 will give you 75. 25 times 3 will give you 75. So that this 25 will be a perfect square. So the square root of this 25 will give you 5. So that 5, you have to bring it outside, leaving the 3. So the 5, this is the 5, and then the 3 here. Let us solve one more. 98. The square root of 98. So the same thing, you have to expand it. So that 49 times 2 will give you 98. 49 times 2 will give you 98. So that this your 49 will be your perfect square. So that square root of 49 will give you 7. That's 7, you have to bring it outside. So you bring it outside here, leaving the 2. So the 2 will be here. I said square root of this 98, we have to expand it. So 49 times 2 will give you 98. So that this of 49 will be a perfect square. So the square root of 49 will give you 7. So that's 7, you have to bring it outside, leaving the 2. So this is the 2. So this is the 2 here. Okay, let's try another one again. Let's try 200. Let's try 200. So this 200 will be equals to, you have to expand it again. 100 times 2. 100 times 2. So that this 100 times 2 will give you 200. So that this your 100 will be a perfect square. If you come to the perfect square here, you see 100 here. So you know that square root of 100 will be 10. Everything. So that this 100 times 2 will give you 200. So that this 100 will be a perfect square. So square root of 100 will give you 10. So that 10 you bring it outside. You bring it outside, leaving your 2. So this is your final answer. 10 times 2 will give you 100. So that square root of 100 will give you 10. So that you bring the 10 outside, leaving the 2. So this one is your 2. So this is it. So don't worry. Let's try another again. But please subscribe to my YouTube channel for me.